5 science-backed exercises that reverse aging. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair, it's driven by cellular changes like muscle loss, sarcopenia, declining mitochondrial function, and reduced VO2 max, which can make you feel and move older than you are. The good news? Research shows targeted exercises can counteract these effects, boosting muscle mass, energy production, and even epigenetic markers to effectively turn back the clock by years. Based on studies from sources like the Journal of Physiology and clinical trials, here are 5 accessible, evidence-based exercises. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, starting slow and consulting a doctor if you're new to fitness. 1. Squats, bodyweight or chair-assisted. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower as if sitting into a chair until thighs are parallel to the ground, then stand back up. Do 10 to 15 reps. Science: squats combat sarcopenia by building lower body strength and muscle mass, which declines 3-8% per decade after 30. A study in Cell Metabolism found resistance exercises like squats reverse age-related gene expression in muscles, improving mitochondrial function and reducing inflammation. Physiotherapists note they enhance posture and mobility, cutting fall risk by up to 30%. 2. Push-ups, modified on knees or wall. From a plank position or against a wall, lower your chest toward the floor by bending elbows, then push back up. Aim for 8 to 12 reps. Science: this upper body move preserves muscle and bone density, key for longevity. Research in aging cell shows resistance training like push-ups increases protein synthesis in aging muscles, mimicking youthful repair processes. It also boosts VO2 max, a marker of cardiovascular youth, equivalent to shaving 10 years of biological age per a Nature aging trial. 3. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat, lift hips toward the ceiling by squeezing glutes, hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Perform 12 to 15 reps. Science: bridges target the posterior chain to fight sedentary-induced weakness. A JAMA dermatology-linked study highlights how such moves improve hip mobility and core stability, reversing spinal stiffness and lower back pain common in aging. They also enhance blood flow to muscles, promoting epigenetic rejuvenation as seen in mouse models where similar resistance reversed mitochondrial decline. 4. Reverse lunges. Step 1 foot back into a lunge, lowering until both knees are at 90 degrees, then push back to start. Alternate legs for 8 to 10 reps per side. Science: lunges build balance and leg power, countering the 10% strength loss per decade after 30. Per Physiology International, they activate AMPK proteins that enhance energy metabolism, slowing cellular aging. Clinical data from postmenopausal women showed 4 days of lunge-inclusive routines reduced bone marrow fat, a senescence marker, by 20%, improving recovery like in younger adults. 5. Zone 2 cardio, brisk walking or steady cycling. Walk briskly or cycle at a moderate pace where you can talk but not sing for 20 to 30 minutes. Science: this endurance exercise ramps up mitochondrial volume by 40-50% per endurance training meta-analysis in PMC. A Carol bike trial demonstrated a 12% VO2 max increase in 8 weeks, reversing 10 years of aerobic decline. It also restores cyclin D1 in stem cells, accelerating muscle repair as found in Nature studies on aerobic routines, making it a potent anti-sarcopenia tool. Consistency is key. Combine these for full-body benefits and track progress with simple metrics like how far you can walk without fatigue. These aren't magic, but they're proven to extend health span by targeting aging's root causes.